Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. In last class we discussed our pronoun chapter and that is completed. Now today we discuss our very important chapter verb. After that we discuss tense chapter because first we understand about the verb, after that we start tense. Okay. So today we discuss about the main part of the verb. Okay. That is meaning of verb or definition of verb. So write down the definition of verb. What is verb? Everyone know about the verb. In Hindi what we call verb? Verb is a kriya. So a verb is a when we do something about doing word which tell us something about the subject. Okay, it is a word which tell us something about the subject, जो कि हमको subject के बारे में बताता है. So that is called a verb. Write down. A verb is a doing word which tell us something about the subject, that is called verb. तो वो कुछ भी हो सकता है सब्जेक्ट. दैट इज अ पर्सन और अ थिंग इन अ सेंटेंस. क्लियर? सो मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ब इज आई थिंक ऑल क्लियर. ओके. अ वर्ब इज अ डूइंग वर्ड which tell us something about the subject, that is a person or a thing in a sentence. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, either person or either thing in a sentence. This is called a verb. Clear? So a verb tell us what the subject does. First, what the subject does. First point, what the subject does. Second, what the subject is. Third, what is done to the subject. And last one, fourth one is what the subject has. Clear? So here a verb tell us about the four things. Listen, a verb tell us about the four things, and that is what the subject does, what the subject is, what is done to the subject, and what the subject has. Clear? So verb tell us about these four things. Okay, so it means verb is totally depend on subject. Clear? Verb is totally depend on subject. So I think definition you all clear, and the verb four things about which verb tell us, that is also clear. So next write down. Next you write down kinds of verb. Verb is divided into two parts. Okay, verb is divided into two parts. First is transitive verb, and second is intransitive verb. First is transitive verb and second one is intransitive verb. Clear? So today we discuss transitive and intransitive verbs. First of all, write down transitive verb. A transitive verb takes an object. A transitive verb takes an object. Some verbs take two objects. Some verb take two objects, that is a direct object or a indirect object. There are two types of object, direct object or indirect object. Direct object or indirect object. Clear? So there are two types of object, direct object or indirect object. Clear? So example, write down. She gave me a chocolate. Example is she gave me a chocolate. Okay, she gave me a chocolate. So here me and chocolate both are objects. Clear? So direct or indirect objects. Now next is second one is intransitive verb. Second, write down. Second is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb and intransitive verb does not take an object. Clear? What is an intransitive verb? Intransitive verb means which does not have object, which does not take an object. Clear? An intransitive verb does not take an object. Intransitive verb is without object, and that also intransitive verb give true meaning. Okay, correct meaning. Okay, like example, stars twinkle. Okay, so this gave a correct meaning of sentence. This gave a full meaning of sentence. So here intransitive verb is also completed. Clear? Now next is, now these two verbs here completed. Now write down one more note. As a note you write down. Okay, as a note you write down. As a note write down. Some verbs are incomplete verbs. Some verbs are incomplete verbs. They need a word to complete sense. They need a word to complete sense. And these words are known as complement. These words are known as complement. Clear? Okay. Some verbs are incomplete verbs. They need a word to complete sense. Okay. सम वर्ब्स आर इनकम्प्लीट, ओके, कुछ वर्ब्स ऐसी होती हैं जो कि इनकम्प्लीट होती है और उनको कुछ वर्ड्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है फॉर कंप्लीट अ सेंस, टू कंप्लीट अ सेंस, सो दीज वर्ड्स आर नोन एज कॉम्प्लीमेंट, तो हम उनको क्या बोलेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट, क्लियर, सो दीज वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड complement, a complement along with the verb form complete predicate, a complement along with the verb form as complete predicate. Example, write down, the judge found him innocent, the judge found him innocent. So here we add some complement here, okay, the judge found him innocent. So this is our incomplete verb, means complement. What are complements? So here our basic meaning of verb is completed, okay. So in next class means today we discuss kinds, transitive or intransitive we discuss, meaning of verb we discuss, and what are complements we discuss here, okay. So in next class we will discuss our objects, okay, what is the meaning of direct object, what is the meaning of indirect object. So these we discuss in next class. So today part 1 of verb is completed. So thank you and have a nice day.